on a face mask. We tryna get flawless skin. Where our skin are facts. Guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title below, we are gonna do a review on the Urban Skin RX Pumpkin Pore Detox Mask and Scrub. Boop. Can y'all see it? There we go. Yes, we're gonna do a review on this good baby here. But before we get into the video, please like and subscribe to your girl channel. Thank you. So you guys, I already washed my face. I did all of that good stuff already. If you haven't seen my nighttime routine already using all the Urban Skin RX products, I'm going to go ahead and leave a link below so you guys can check that out. But on to doing this mask review. Let's read the back of it first. So it says, this warming dual action mask and scrub combines detoxifying clay, exfoliating jojoba beads, as well as enzymes and vitamins to reduce the appearance of pore size, deep cleanse, and rejuvenate the skin. That sounds yummy. In 15 minutes or less, your skin will look like it's had the ultimate facial treatment. And better for this price. I paid $36. But I got it also from Urban Skin RX on the website. I will suggest, if you are interested in getting this product to use and try it on yourself, to get the little bottle first. This is the 6-ounce bottle. Like I said, $36. A little pricey, but I went ahead and got it because I do actually love this mask. So, yeah, the little bottle, you can get it from Target, and I believe it's like $12. $36 to $12. Yeah, it's a difference, but the little bottle, of course, is not a 6-ounce bottle. But on to this mask. Okay. Let's see if this is gonna cover my big old face. Probably not. Ooh, this mask warms up, y'all. Like, it's really hot. Yeah, it's really hot. Like, I feel like I'm under some steam. No, I'm not exaggerating either. Like, it's hot. Which is a good thing. Like, it makes me feel like it's working already. And it hasn't even been 30 seconds. Oh, that was enough for my face. I love the texture of it. The smell, I don't really like pumpkin, but if you're a pumpkin lover, this is your mask, sis. This is your mask. But I like how it feels on my skin. I've been using this for ever since I started using Urban Skin RX. I've been using this mask for some time, and this is my go-to mask if I do decide to use a mask like this. So I'm gonna let this stay on for about 30 minutes now. It said 15 minutes, but I don't listen. It says you can use this mask up to 1 to 3 times a week. Sensitive skin types should only use once a week. So if you have sensitive skin and you're thinking about using this mask, start off by using it once a week, because like I said, you can definitely feel this mask on your skin. It's not, you can feel the heat. I feel the heat, most definitely. So y'all, this product feels more of a mask than a scrub to me. When I think about scrub, I'm thinking about brown sugar scrub, you know, deeply exfoliating my skin. I'm feeling like I'm actually scrubbing the skin and those pimples and them scars off of my face. This, it did not feel like that at all. It felt more of a mask. It felt like I was hydrating my face, and that's what I love about this product. I felt like it was really going deep into my pores. So I don't know why it's called a scrub. It didn't feel like a scrub, but I'm gonna just let that one slide. My 30 minutes is up, and now I'm about to wash this stuff off my face. I'll be right back. Woo. So y'all, that felt good on my skin. But anyways, I definitely would recommend this product. Definitely. It did not feel like a clay. Like, ever since I've been using this product, it never felt like a clay to me. Like I said, it's more of a mask in my opinion. I do love that it has jojoba beads in it. If you've seen my nighttime routine, I use jojoba oil as my moisturizing oil. That is my go-to. That is my baby. That is my baby. So I definitely love that it has jojoba beads in this product. Since using this product, I have seen a difference with my skin, but like I've said, I was using the line all together. So, ooh, girl, your skin look good. That mask did that. Sure did. This product is definitely self-warming. When I tell you I felt like my face was on fire, okay, I'm exaggerating. But I definitely felt, you know, my face getting warm. I definitely like that feeling. Like, it's not many masks that have those type of, you know, warm feelings when you applying it to your face. So I definitely love that about this product. It's different than other masks that you'll probably, you know, use in your past or currently are using. It definitely felt like a facial treatment. After one use, you can definitely see the difference in your skin. Like I said, I've been using this product ever since starting this line, and I have definitely seen major improvements. If you've seen my last video, you would definitely see, you know, my before and after pictures, and you can tell that it did. This was one of the key ingredients. This baby right here helped. Now, I was using, when I had severe acne, I was using this mask 3 times a week. Now I only use it about once a week. I also like that this mask was not messy at all. It was a smooth apply. Nothing was dripping down my face. I didn't have to have a washcloth to catch the product. It was easy. I love that about this product. Loved. So the question is, would I recommend this product to you guys? Simple answer, yes, I would. But I would not recommend getting the 6-ounce bottle because it is $36. And if you're new, you know, to using this product, of course you wouldn't want to just go ahead and jump in and get the $36 one because you don't know how it's going to do for your face. It might react, you might not like it, so why go all out and get the $36 one, right? So let's go ahead, go to Target or Ultra Beauty. So yeah, whoever sells the 2.5-ounce bottle, Target, Ultra Beauty, try that one first. That concludes my video, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. Leave a comment below. Tell me how you liked it. Or if you use this product already, let me know how it works on your skin. Let me know what product you think I should use. Tell me what product you think I should do a review on. I will get it to you guys. I will be doing some DIY mask reviews. So please subscribe to your girl and check those out later.